Hey guys, what's up? It's Jerry Cubes here. In today's video, I'll be doing a tutorial on the Emperor Pyraminx. So basically, with this puzzle, you could buy this off Evgeny Grigoriev's Etsy shop for about $300, but you can get I got it for cheaper since it was on sale. And it's quite a fun puzzle to solve. Not many people have it, but if you do decide to pick one up, this is a tutorial on how to do it. So what you want to do, I'll start off with a blue center. You want to make these three pieces. You want to match the three pieces up like this. So we'll just pick one of these pieces right here. We can see we already have two matched up, and we'll find a third one. So, right. Let's see. Here we go. We can match. This sometimes locks up, but since it's kind of just like a prototype, it happens. Let me just fix that. Okay, so we can see this one could go up into here, so we'll put this one into here. And we can now match it up with this center. Now we want to do the same exact thing, but attach one of these pieces right here. So we'll just find another piece. So we'll find this one, and we could match right here. We can match this one up in here. And next we can do, let's just find something. Here we go. One of these could probably match up with here. Let me just try it out. And yes, it can. So we'll just put it in. And now we have it matched up. Okay, so now what we want to do is attach one of these blue pieces up under here. So we can see we have one right here. And making sure we don't mess up this part of the center, we'll just put it in. And now let's see where we can match it up. So see, if we try doing it in here, this will be sticking out from the bottom, see? So we know it goes, oh, okay, here we go. We can see if we turn it like this, it can match up. And now we have most of it done. So what we want to do next is do the same exact thing, but actually match up two of these pieces. And let's do that. So we could use this. And match this up with right here. And next, we can bring this down. And we can match it up. Sorry if I'm going a little fast. I'll try to slow down a little bit. But we can match this up right here. Now, if you actually have this puzzle, you should know how to solve something like definitely a Master Pyraminx. Yes, Master Pyraminx. It would also be helpful to know something like the Professor Pyraminx and even the Royal Pyraminx. Okay, so now we want to match up this piece could go onto here. So making sure we don't mess that center up. You put it in. Oh, whoops, a little piece popped out. Let me just put that back in. Okay, it's back in. Okay, next thing we want to do is find the next piece that goes in. So that's right here. Goes right here. Now usually pieces don't pop out, but if it is, it's like a small edge piece, or like maybe this piece right here. And you just want to be careful for that. Make sure it doesn't happen while it's like on the, if you're sitting somewhere in a car or something like that. That's how I lost a piece in my 3x5x5. Okay, so now you put this into here, making sure you don't mess that up. And we just insert it in. Now, this is really easy. You just put those pieces in. So we'll put that one in here. Put this one in here. And this one in to here. Okay, so this concludes the first part of this tutorial. Now you do the second center, just like really just do it like the first center, making sure you don't mess up the first center, which you should be able to do. And I'll get back to you on the last two centers. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.